Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to hide your location on Bigo Live. To hide your location on Bigo Live, first of all, open up the Bigo Live application on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu, tap on the Gear button at the top right, and then this will bring up the Settings menu. From the Settings page, tap on Privacy at the top and turn on the button right next to Hide Location. After you turn on this button, your location won't appear in your profile or your live notification. So that's how you easily hide your location on Bigo Live. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.